All right, it is Wednesday, my dudes, April 15th. We are back from our little vacation. I'm sure your vacation was great. I'm sure you were like in the backyard and hanging out in the kitchen. And wow, maybe you took a trip to the living room. That is pretty much what I did. Anyway, so you will notice that our learning targets are the same as last week because we kind of realize that this project is a lot. So we're giving you a little extra time to work on it. So we are still doing a short research project to develop an argument. I got a lot of questions this week about what am I supposed to be writing about? And if you click on the attachments and read them very carefully, you will definitely be able to understand what you're writing about. If you read the instructions 2 times and you're still like, I don't get it, please feel free to message me. So you're going to be still reading the articles to develop your claim, and you're going to create a project to support your claim. And remember, the organizer is there to help you guys organize your ideas. The final project is the either the TED Talk or the infographic or the PowerPoint. That is what you're actually going to turn in. I'm actually going to go over here to Schoology because I want to show you a couple of things. I have started doing announcements at the top of the page. You can see that here. But like right here, for example, it says about making a checklist to do things, and it says see my sample attached list. You will need to click on updates on the left to see the attachment. Well, if we go over here to updates, you can see the same thing I just wrote here, but also down here you'll see the attachment. So if you're like, where is that attachment, Miss Russo? It is over here in updates. Going back to my, there we go, to my PowerPoint. So you are still working on the should I stay or should I go assignment. There's an orange folder of resources. Your project is going to be due Friday, which is the 17th. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If you want to move ahead, that's fine. We'll be getting into our new unit, and it's a lot of fun. I actually really love the story that we're going to be doing. So anyway, I hope you had a good break, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.